56-1 from county. 56-1. Here we direct you to a Class 3 injured person, 101. White Cloud Drive in Willow Woods Village, apartment Echo. Copy, we're sorry. 56-1, okay.
Corey, Tyler, you asked me to run.
County engine 502 with 6. Engine 502. Block 502 responding.
Oh, where'd he go?
Block 502.
12 today. Staffing at 12. Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, way to go.
County engine 54-206. Engine 54-206. System 54. Assistant 54. Gas line broke off the meter. It's secured. Waiting for UGI. 54-2. You continue in. Have 550 on emergency. Assistant 54, okay. Engine 54-2, continue your response emergency rate. Units from station 50 downgrade to non-emergency 1557.
Non-emergency?
When we get through the square.
Yes, we're non-emergency.
Assistant 54, engine 54-2, where do you want the stage? Which way you coming in? We're coming in off at Katie. Just hold behind my door. Ambulance 622. Ambulance 622. Good, you know. Ambulance 622. No, I don't think you're going to make it in the entrance off Pioneer. Come in off Lansing. Truck 50, okay.
Here, right now. Right, first left.
County engine 54-2 on scene. Engine 54-2, okay. Assistant 54. Assistant 54. You can release the ambulance. You can have out there and we'll work off our Johnson channel. This is 54, okay. Medic 56-6 from county.
Channel 15.
Yeah. 11, channel 14.